Guys, dead excited to be unboxing something today. Generally, I buy my own gear. Every single video that I've made on YouTube that's got anything to do with products or unboxings or reviews or anything like that, I've actually bought myself. And in fact, there's a lot of stuff on my shelf. It's all mine, all bought with my own money. But today is, I don't know if it's a sad day or a happy day, but it's an exception. I was asked to do a review on something. Somebody contacted me on my Instagram. So guys, this is a first for me. What is it? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, I've actually been asked to unbox something and do a review on it, so kind of excited in one way, and it's a bit of a momentous occasion in another, because although, you know, I'm quite proud of the fact that all my reviews are honest and everything I've bought is my own, this is kind of like a bit of a first for me. That's to say, I will still give it my honest opinion. Now, what is it? Well, it is this. This is an underwater MP3 player for swimming. It's made by a company called Sewobye, and yeah, my first thing is, I don't see the point. But my second thing is, after I think about it for a few seconds, is yeah, I get it. You know, when I've been swimming, I mean, I like swimming on holiday, definitely. Do I like swimming in a swimming pool? Well, not really. I don't mind the swimming part, but it's the getting changed. It's the, you know, trying to dry your feet. You put one foot up, dry it, put that foot back down. Damn, you've put that in a bit of a wet bit. And like, you know, I mean, it's the whole thing. You just never get dry. You always walk out the swimming pool, the changing rooms, and you just feel wet still. So that's what I don't like about swimming in swimming pools. But I do like swimming on holiday, beach, swimming pool, where you just jump out, lie on a bed, let the sun kind of like wash over you, cocktail, beer, what? Anyway, kind of losing the plot a little bit here. But the point is, I get it. If you're swimming, and you know, when I was swimming lengths in a swimming pool, quite frankly, it's as boring as. But maybe if I had one of these, it wouldn't be so boring, because I love music. So this underwater swimming MP3 player made by Sewobye, let's unbox it, let's see what it's all about. We're all kind of COVID-19 at the moment, lockdown, so I'm not really going to get a chance to go to a swimming pool, and I'm definitely not going to get a chance to go on holiday. But hey, it is what it is, right? So how am I going to test this? In the shower. Don't worry, this isn't X-rated. But anyway, let's get this unboxed. Let's have a look at the fit, form, function, see what it sounds like, get some tracks on there, stick it in the water, listen to it, see what it's like. Let's get to it. So guys, this is it. Yeah, packaged up, pretty small, probably about 2 inches big. It says here, this is, you know, submergible, waterproof MP3 player and headphones. It's kind of got a clip, so you can clip it onto a headband or your swimming cozy or whatever. Actually, the picture here, if I could just focus in on that, shows it being clipped onto the back of a swimming hat. So it looks like there's a strap. It's got 8 gigabytes of onboard storage, so there's no removable storage. This thing, apparently the battery lasts for about 15 hours, so yeah, that's a long time. I ain't going to be swimming for that long. Hear me now. This thing is also, it's made out of plastic. It's kind of got IPX8 water resistancy, and I think that is kind of like a up to 10 feet of water, so depth. So yeah, I mean, that's probably good enough, right? So guys, let's get this out of the box. What have we got in here? We've got, this is clipped on, so that just, oh. So guys, there you have it, out of the box. Your volume up, volume down, fast forward, rewind and playback controls there. So let's put that aside for a second. See what else is in the box. Got the headphones. Take those out. I can't imagine for 1 minute what these are going to sound like, but yeah, I mean, they look pretty cheap. But again, this is for swimming. Probably not for audiophile audio quality, but we'll see. I'm very critical when it comes to music, so I'm definitely going to be a good judge of that. Very lightweight earphones with these grommet things that kind of fit straight into your ears. There's also a bunch of earpieces in here, spare ones, or just rather probably different sizes. Pop those down there. And we've got the old USB cable to what looks like a 3.5mm jack, which is pretty interesting because that's obviously a bit of a bespoke power cable. What else have we got here? Okay, we've got a headphone extension jack cable, so there you go. So guys, let's get some music loaded onto this. Let us get this into the shower, because that's what it's going to be, and let's get it go. Back in a few seconds. So guys, here I have the Sewobye MP3 player. Like I said, it's meant to be for swimming, but quite frankly, no swimming pools, coronavirus. So what are you going to do? Well, like I said, I'm going to try it in the shower. So this isn't one of those kind of videos. So bear with me. I'm going to get this strapped on. I'm going to get in the shower. And I'm going to see what this thing sounds like. So guys, this actually doesn't sound too bad. It's playing. So let's get in the shower, see what it sounds like under the water. So guys, out of the shower, still wearing it, still playing. Hang on 1 second, I'll be right back. So guys, out the shower, clothes back on, happy days. So just thought I'd come out into the garden because we're on lockdown, COVID-19, so get the last of the sunshine. It's probably about 7 o'clock or something like that, 7:15 in the evening, so a nice spring evening in the UK. But what have I got to say about this Sewobye MP3 player for swimming or even underwater, or actually even for in the shower? Well, as expected, these earphones, they're not that great. If you're just listening to quiet tracks, somber tracks, and actually it comes with one preloaded, it's fine. You know, you try and put a bit of bass through it or anything like that, you're not going to get it. The music is flat, but that's okay. It's just for swimming, right? and for showering. Although the downside of wearing it in the shower is you can't wash your ears. But anyway, I took it out, washed my ears and put it back in again. So shh. Also guys, one good thing about this player is it's dead simple to use. You've got your volume up, volume down, rewind, forward wind to the next track, play, pause on the front, job done. It's got a little clip so you can clip it on your shorts. Of course you've got a bit of a, it doesn't reach, but it does come in the packaging with a little cable, a little extension lead, so you plug that in, happy days. Other than that, if you've got a hat, if you're wearing a swimming hat, you can clip it on there. For me in the shower, just kind of had it dangling, but nothing really bad to say about it. Like I said, the only thing for me is, you know, it is what it is in terms of audio quality, but it's good enough for what the purpose is. So guys, yeah, thumbs up from me. I think, yeah, it's an interesting device. I was going to auction this off for the best comments and questions in the comments box, but I kind of think, does anyone really want this after it's been in my ears in the shower with me? If you do guys, let me know in the comments section below. I'll be happy to send it to you. But anyway, is it worth it? Yes it is. I think it's probably about $60 or something like that. You know what, it's got 8 GB of memory on it. Battery lasts for 15 hours. You know what, if you're swimming lengths or it's just monotonous, boring swimming up and down, why not? If you're sitting by the pool, God forbid we ever get out again. But if you are, yeah, why listen to your phone and risk that getting wet? Although obviously a lot of them are, you know, IP rated now for splash proof and stuff like that, but I still wouldn't want to risk my £1,000 phone underwater. So yeah, something like this is just the job. So guys, if you've got any comments, questions or anything like that about this little MP3 player, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Please like, please subscribe, please click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Until the next one guys, see you soon.